This is Samsung Galaxy A30S, and today I'll show how you can set up the portable Wi-Fi hotspot on this device. So in the beginning, you will need to launch Settings. Here enter the Connections category, then go for the Mobile Hotspot and Tethering, Mobile Hotspot, and here are your hotspot settings and preferences. From here you can enable it. You can also change your network name, its password, the band that it uses. Obviously here you can change or switch the security protocol that your portable Wi-Fi network is going to use. You can also go into advanced options and change the broadcast channel, switch the MAC address type, set the time for the automatic switch off for the portable hotspot, and manage all those options as well. And well, what else? You can also enable the auto hotspot features if your internet connection will be available, unlike mine, and monitor the connected devices over here at the bottom. You can also share your Wi-Fi network conveniently through this QR code. So the device that you would like to connect to your network should simply scan this QR code and it will be automatically connected to it. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.